Hey friends, a lot of users have complained that they tried ad blockers with YouTube, but YouTube has gotten smarter and they are unable to block ads. So if you encounter the same problem, then I'll help you with an ad blocker which will definitely work and I will prove it. So I will click on these three dots here and I will select extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. Or if you go to the extensions page, then click on Chrome Web Store here. So once you are in the Chrome Web Store, write YouTube ad blocker. Hit enter and wait for a few seconds for the page to load. Since this is Chrome and this is the Chrome Web Store, it usually takes time to load. Now skip the first one. The second one is Ad Skip Master for YouTube. I tried and tested this one, so I will use this one. So click on it, I'll say add to Chrome and then I'll say add extension. Okay, so the extension has been added and let me click on it. It says disable, it means that the ad blocker is enabled. So I'll refresh the YouTube page to make sure that it picks it up. Now I'll test it. Okay, so I'm going to open this video. Do I see an ad? No. I'll open the second video. Do I see an ad? No, there's no ad. I'll open the third video. Do I see an ad? No, I do not see any ad. I'll try the fourth video. Do I see any ad? I don't see any ad. Fifth one, it doesn't show any ad. And finally, I'll open the sixth one and there is no ad here either. So the ad skip master for YouTube extension is working and I have tested it. I have proven it and you can let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. If not, then I will investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.